I'm in a hotel now, but I'm in Zurich because I'm gonna DJ tonight at the club with some friends. And I thought, let's just film some stuff. It is 7 p.m. We're gonna go to the studio first, and then after we're gonna grab dinner. We're gonna eat ramen, and then I think we go to the club. I think I'll leave my camera just here in the hotel. But yeah, just wanted to update the trip so far and the vlog. Let me show you guys my outfit. These are Bonnie Clyde glasses from LA. I really like them. For my top, I'm just wearing like a mesh top. Pants are from Weekday. Always wearing these. These got pretty dirty. Just want to be comfortable when I'm playing. Gonna wear this one as well. But this is the outfit.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Zurich, I see you.
A mic, but I hope you can hear me. We're at the airport right now, waiting to see which gate we have to go and just rest. It was a crazy night yesterday and it was so crowded. It was so busy, but it was so much fun. Yeah, that's the update. Still alive, still healthy. Yeah.
that's too slow.
Guys, quick update. Today is Thursday. Oh no, it's Tuesday. I uploaded the other half of the closet seal. Here I already packed half of it. This is what's left, and I still have to pack like half of the stuff. It's crazy. I wanted to film like video, but I was like uploading items and it took so long, and then it went crazy, and then I had to organize everything and pack, and 2 days later still packing, but all good. On Thursday I'm gonna send out all the items. Now I'm gonna continue pack. I finished editing the first vlog. I think this will be in my second vlog or third vlog. Second vlog I have to edit, and then this one, the outfits video. A lot of stuff planned because I have more time now to do social media. Gonna pack now.
Empty my bank account and find that boy with a pay. Find that boy with a pay. I might empty my bank account and find that boy with a pay.
Update. It is 1 a.m. Look at the stairs. It's not full anymore. If you bought something and you're watching this vlog, huge thanks to you for getting something. I really appreciate it. I packed whole night, and I was also writing cards, prepped everything for this closet sale. Yeah, it was just a bit too much, and I'm gonna do some work in bed now. Get ready for bed and then sort out the labels in bed. I've had so little sleep the last few days.
Whatever comes too clear. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? I might put some spotlight on the side. Whatever comes too clear.
Good.
All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part, we see the lights they got so.
Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Please don't mind my hair. I just finished filming a lookbook and I was checking the footage again. I thought I selected 4K, but it's 1080, but it's fine. I think by the time this vlog is up, the lookbook video is already up. It's 5 p.m. There were 2 more orders, or 3, that I have to pack again, so I'm gonna do that. Shipping labels are coming tonight, so tomorrow I will be sending out all of the stuff. Super excited to finally send out everything. I'm gonna wash my face. Gonna take off my makeup now. Sometimes I use micellar water. I got this from Rituals and this one from Kruidvat. If you're Dutch, you know, I've been using this for years.
I'm a belly diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. She having it with the color working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. Slide on all your nights like this.
Hey guys, today is Friday, it's almost 5 p.m. I'm kinda in a rush right now. Going to Belgium today, in a bit, well actually now, to play, and that's what I'm wearing. I didn't know what to wear, so I'm wearing this flight suit from Jordan. Like, this was from a collab like a long time ago, and this is actually the first time I'm wearing it. Shoes, I don't know, I always wear these. Maybe I should change other shoes, but yeah. Okay, I have to hurry now.
Very special, really and truly.
Yeah.